Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save on capture on photos and media settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click on the settings, and now here you'll find photos and media. Click on it. Here as you see you will find save on capture. Click on it and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on save on capture on your photos and media settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.